Welcome to J&J's test video of SVCE 459. This is a 97 Camaro 3800. Had a nice interior and some decent miles on it, so we brought it home. Hit down the side there, runs, drives, has a 30th anniversary cloth in it. Dash is kind of worn out. Door panels are okay, but got some nice seats in it. Seats are hard to find in these things. Show you the cluster. Can't really see it, but it does say 130,000. Has some oil pressure. Take it for a drive. Transmission works. T-top car. Later on, they didn't do T-tops on all of them. Reverse works. Back into gear. Transmission seems okay. All right, that's it. We'll let you hear that motor run. Squeak and squeaky. We got a throttle cable still. Alright, that's that. As always, thank you for watching and have your pets spayed and neutered.